Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you know that finally Infosys round 1 has been out. So in this video I will tell some of the important tips and tricks. Besides that, how you can reset the password. So make sure to listen each and every point. This video gonna important for you, and please share this video among yourself. So first of all, talking how to reset your password. So I think you got your username and credential. So just go to that and click on the forget password. And there basically you have to give your credential and login. So whenever you will log in, then भाई आपको एक new password setup करना होगा. So here you can see forget password, or simply when you will first time login, then they will directly allow you to reset the password. Again saying fresh, must reset the password, otherwise during the exam if you will face any difficulty, then your time will be wasted and you might not be allowed to enter to the assessment basically interface. So that's the thing I want to tell, that listen each and every point. And first of all, comment here whether you got your mail or not. Means many of the students are saying that I didn't get, but I think they are releasing the mail in various phases. Okay, so comment here whether you got or not, and best of luck those who need the preparation and all those things. I have already shared all this free preparation material, coding questions and all those stuff in my WhatsApp or Telegram group, so just follow that. So friends, remember it is mandatory to update the password, otherwise you will not allowed to give the assessment. And after that, I think you already got the sample test cases and all those stuff, that how your interface would be like. So I will make a dedicated video later to that, but this kind of interface will be there जहाँ पर आपका current assessment वगैरह show करेगा. So just follow the mail. Okay, now Infosys also sharing the mail and all those things like the preparation kits and types of coding questions they are providing itself. Okay, and if you need still more material, then just comment here whether you need or not. Otherwise I've already provided all those preparation material, coding questions of previous shift. So coding question will be like that, and you can see there will be some test you have to do. So run speed test. So it is mandatory to having good internet connection. Don't use the Wi-Fi, especially if in your locality environment is not good and might light cut अगर हो गया तो आपका assessment break भी हो सकता है. So I will suggest use the mobile hotspot to give the assessment. These are the some small things which might affect your assessment. Okay, because in the assessment if the light got off and you got means internet connection disturbed, then you might got in panic. So this will for sure affect the assessment pattern. So that's the thing I want to tell, that make sure to give in peace and calm environment. Also background noises should not be there, and you should, because the exam will be video proctored and it will be AI proctored. So those who will successfully clear at least 1.5 and 2 coding question. Again, no one know the cutoff criteria, what will the cutoff criteria, but again saying try to solve at least 2.5 question. Since by exam घर से होगा, तो many of the person will use the AI to solve the questions, and some will able to pass. So of course there will be high coding cutoff in the online or the home assessment. Okay, for the off campus means that will the round 2 that will happen on some particular center. For that one question is enough for, but इसमें भाई आप जितना ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन हो सके सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करें, but yeah, don't use the AI completely. Related to AI video, if you need comment here, I will try to make a dedicated video that if you don't know how to solve, then how you can use the AI to refactor your code. Again, just copying and pasting, it will not work, because it will easily proctored in the assessment and you might face the difficulty. So the thing I want to tell, that you have to refactor the code. Those who are following our video related to coding assessment of TCS Code Beta, there I have talked in detail that how you can refactor the code, like adding the comments, putting the functions, changing the logic. So these all the things you can apply there to update that. Okay, and again saying background should be white and it should not have any object, otherwise you will directly disqualified and they will not consider your candidate teacher further. Okay, so these are the mail which I have already provided update first on my YouTube channel. So friends, I need your support. Please support and subscribe us so that you will not miss any update. I am not asking for anything. Okay, and coding question मैंने already भाई अपलोड कर चुका हूँ. ओके, सो जस्ट फॉलो दैट, एंड जो भी अपडेट आएगा फर्दर आई विल प्रोवाइड ऑल दोज हियर. आई एम ऑलवेज हियर टू हेल्प यू. ओके, सो मस्ट कमेंट वेदर यू गॉट द मेल और नॉट. सो मेनी ऑफ द कमेंट्स आर आई गॉट दैट दे गॉट, but some of them are still waiting. So if you haven't got, no need to worry, you have to wait for some more time to get the test update mail. Okay, so this is just short things I want to tell. Again, some of the important points, again I want to tell you that first, be calm, utilize these 2 or 3 days, whatever days. Some of them have exam 17th, some of them have 18th or 19th. So utilize this time, whatever the day you are getting, make a proper strategy and try to solve at least 1.5 or 2 coding questions. Then only you will be eligible for further round, that will be offline assessment. Okay, currently for the 2025 pass out, basically interview and offline assessment going on. So I'll make a dedicated video related to interview and further. Remember, I'm always here to help you all those things. So practice all those questions which I have shared, and just best of luck. Try to give your best soon if you will get this opportunity. Nice, otherwise move on. Okay, means there will be lots of hiring like the Cognizant and other hiring, all those update I will provide here. So just what you can give, just give your best. Okay, there will be just 3 coding questions, means 4 coding question, out of course which you have to solve 3 coding question. Okay, no aptitude, another will be there, completely coding question ही रहेगा, तो भाई आपको अच्छे से करना होगा. And yeah, of course, since they are providing 12 LPA or 11 LPA or 9 LPA, then the coding questions level will be high. Like you have to practice the coding question from graph, TP, binary search, DFS, BFS. So this will all means for sure play a critical role in your selection. So this is the thing I want to tell that friends, go through it and just try to give your best, utilize this time. And again, koi bhi query feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, anywhere you can ask your query. So minimum question which I have already try to solve at least 2 questions, क्योंकि भाई ऑनलाइन में बहुत लोग, सभी लोग चीटिंग करेंगे, आपको पता है. देन इफ यू विल नॉट डू चीटिंग, आई एम नॉट बेसिकली saying to do cheat, but if you will not do cheating, then you will be lagging behind. Okay, so at least in online, use it, but use it wisely. Okay, you can use the AI, but use it wisely. So these all things I want to tell. कोई भी query है, you can ask. मिलते हैं next important updates में. Thank you.